my name's Paul from vaporroom.com, and this is Rapid Reviews. Right, okay, we're just going to take a look at the Aspire CF range of batteries that we do. These are the carbon fibre batteries. All come packaged like this. This particular one is the 650 milliamp battery, so we'll start with that one. Come packaged like that with full colour instructions, charging, etc., switching on, which I'm going to go through now. We'll start with this one, the 650. This particular one is a variable voltage. All of the following batteries are going to have these features. Firstly, they've got the 5-click on off. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That switches the battery on. As you can see, it's firing up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and that switches the battery off. That's deactivated the button there, so that would prevent any misfires if it was in your pocket or a handbag and so on. At the top end of the battery, you've got two threads. You've got the outer thread, which is the Ego thread, and then the inner thread, which is a standard 510 connecting thread. Oh, the last thing actually, feature-wise, that they've all got is the sprung centre pin. There have been issues with some previous batteries, some of the older batteries, where the centre pin of the Clearomizer wasn't quite reaching the centre pin of the battery, the positive connector, and therefore not producing any vapour. Aspire have taken that on board, and they've created a sprung centre pin. So you've always got a really solid positive connection between the centre pin on the Clearomizer and the positive pin on the battery. So that's the 650 milliamp, which is the variable voltage, adjustable by the dial here. There's a window there, and you can see as you turn it round, the numbers change. There we go. And that's adjustable from 3.3 volts to 4.8 volts. We do that particular one in two colours. We do it in the red and the black. The next battery that I'm going to show you is the 1000 milliamp VV Plus battery. Again, it's variable voltage from 3.3 to 4.8 volts. The difference with this one, it does have a fixed collar at the top. That does not come off. That is permanently in place. It's got this sprung centre pin, the 510 connection in the middle, and the Ego thread on the outside. 1000 milliamp, that one. And again, we do that in two colours. We do it in the black, and we also do it in that very attractive red colour as well. The last battery that in the range that I'm going to show you is the 900 milliamp pass-through. This one is not variable voltage. The feature of this one is that it is a pass-through charger. All the same features at the top with the 510 connection, Ego threading, 5-click on off with the button there. It's a 900 milliamp battery, and it's set to 4.2 volts, which is 0.5 more than a standard Ego or VR1 battery. Comes with the charger, does the pass-through one, which just plugs in the base of the battery, and then the other end you've just got your standard USB, which will plug in a computer, games console, or something like one of these, which is the wall plug, the USB wall plug. I was just going to quickly show you what they'd look like with various different things connected to the end to give you some perspective on size. So that's the 650 with like a CE4 connected to it. The 650, this is one of my favourite setups actually. This is the Kanga Aero Tank, mini Aero Tank, working with this. The nice thing you've got there with that setup is you've got so many features on it. You've got the variable voltage on the battery. You've got the adjustable airflow there with the Kanga Pro Tank, which we've got these available on our side. Also, you can change the drip tip in that. So that is one of my very, very favourite setups that we do there. The next thing I was going to show you was the 1000 milliamp one with these connected, 1000 milliamp with the C4 connected up to it, looks like that. The 1000 milliamp with the Kanga Pro tank. There's something I need to point out with this. With this particular one, because of the collar, once it's screwed down, you can't get to the airflow on the Kanga on the Aero tank. So you would set up your desired airflow level, then connect it up. The nice thing about that is that you can't accidentally adjust the airflow once it's connected up to the battery. So that's 1000 milliamp connected up to the Kanga Aero tank Mini. And lastly would be the 1000 milliamp battery connected up to the Pro Tank 2, and that looks like that. The last thing I wanted to point out was the charging on these batteries. So with these batteries, you just get the battery itself. You would need an Ego type charger to charge them up. Again, we've got those available on our site. So that's it. Those are the Aspire CF range of batteries that we've got available right now at www.vapooroom.com.